Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Very good evening to all my dear students and my dear colleagues. Watching the documentary prepared by our dear students, I could not sometimes see that blurred images appeared to me. Maybe it is due to the tears in my eyes, due to joy that I have made place in your hearts. What more I want than this satisfaction that I have influenced the top four leaders, all alike, appreciating me, my efforts. That's a great achievement I ever got it. As for me, I only polished the unpolished diamonds which were there already in NI Model School, Dubai. Document yet to be invented, brought to the forefront, gave the direction, the purpose, the aims and objectives, and the rest we are doing today. I am very much satisfied and happy to leave the school at this note, at this juncture, where I am very much satisfied that there is a system in this school which is working. And there are people to don the system. Men may come, men may go, but I go forever. The words of greatest poet in English literature. People may come, people may go. What remains is the institution. What remains is the system. What remains? The policies set up there, the principles. These are the things which are there in place now. That is why I feel very much satisfied and happy at this note, at this juncture. When I came on 3rd January 2009, that day onwards till today, I got excellent support from each and everyone, every official, whether it is academic, administration, whether it is students, whether parents from every corner. There were excellent, motivation, support coming in my way in supporting the planning and execution of the policies which were very much needed for the school to grow, to become an icon in this area of the world, and it should earn its place and name, the brand name, NIMS group of institutions. Is not very far. I am very much proud to say today that this year's results in the CBSE and KB examinations, our students have brought laurels to our institution by getting 80% distinctions and 100% pass percentage. I hope you will all keep it up in years to come.